in single leg circles, and we are going into roll like a ball. So, just like we did, grab under the thighs, tuck your chin in, and I want you to peel yourself up slowly, come all the way up. So, heels together, knees out, hold on to the back of the leg, round your back, round your spine, tuck your chin in. All we do here is lift and back down. Again, round the spine, tuck your tailbone in, lift and down. We're going to make it a little bit more advanced. So from here, we're going to roll like a ball. We're going to tuck the tailbone under, tuck the chin down, round, and keeping your feet just like that. We're going to roll to the top and roll back up and control. Again, we're going to roll to the shoulders and roll to the hip and control, take it down. Now, this one would be your ideal. We're going to bring the feet all the way in, hold on to the ankles, pull in as much as you can, pull the knees to the shoulders.
And feet to your bottom.
And feet to your bottom. Feet all the way in, shoulders all the way in, round your back, tuck your chin in. We're going to roll down and come up and control. Again, roll to the shoulders, come back up and control. One more time, keep the shoulders into the knees, roll, come back up just like that and relax.